Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable read in background for select text to speak on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then scroll down and tap on Install Apps. Next, tap on Select to Speak. And in here, tap on Settings. Now tap on Read in Background. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This is an experimental feature. And it said that Select to Speak will continue reading when you move to other screens or apps. So that will allow the text to be read in the background. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.